1 is a Roman number I. 2 is a Roman number I. 3 is a Roman number I. 4 is a Roman number IV. 5 is a Roman number V. 6 is a Roman number VI. 7 is a Roman number VII. 8 is a Roman number VIII. 9 is a Roman number IX. 10 is a Roman number X. 11 is a Roman number XI. 12 is a Roman number XII. 13 is a Roman number XIII. 14 is a Roman number XIV. 15 is a Roman number XV. 16 is a Roman number XVI. 17 is a Roman number XVI. 18 is a Roman number XVII. 19 is a Roman number XIX. 20 is a Roman number XX.